you. Talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me out with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Roots of love, pure and true. Every beat my heart belongs to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me, two souls entwined. In a light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word made my spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love.
So strong, you carry it through.
God bless this bond, God bless this way.
Roots of love forever stay.
Me no fear tomorrow when you're there here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love to prove.
Roots of love,
deep like a tree, stand firm to eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Roots of love bloom again and again. In sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love.
A battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love we change the life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away. Till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. Forever rebel of love. Inna the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see her promise we make. Every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above. Me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, rebel of love. Hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, rebel of love. Hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry high. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire. From trench town to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild, broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up. 'Cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, in our songs. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong. Still we stand from Kingston town to Addis Ababa. We sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we only fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trench Town Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up, my people.
Oh yeah,
Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari.
Rainfall from my window, silence in a room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in a breeze. Say stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun. Cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in the pain. Hold on strong, keep moving. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with eyes, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright till the whole world step into the light. Yeah, yeah. Missy youths, them fight just to survive. Missy hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on me ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Hey. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Hey, yeah. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold.
to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no goal to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Let the drum beat carry you away, let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Cold hearts too can be warm. Hearts too can be warm. Keep the fire burning. Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still there on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, your light never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root are the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song.
Roots man never go wrong.
From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man leave, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing their song. Roots man heart forever strong.
Roots man vibration. Feel it in the ground.
Roots man still drum.
Roots man vibration.
Just still turn.
Roots man.
Roots man diamond.
Roots man vibration.
Roots man diamond.
Feel it in the ground.
Africa mama,
Roots man vibration.
feel your call. One world, one love for all that can. One world, one love for all that can.
'Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
'No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away, and in your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving at the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, I never know love so kind. Loving at the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. We human flying high above every line. No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless and never late.
Girl, do you love me?
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving out the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try to bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the streets, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayer in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not about to fear our pain, 'cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling nigh and nigh again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through this storm. Together we rise, together we born. We got with us, we stand firm, feel right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Lucky Dube cried out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try for blind with sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother, sister quarreling there. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound, from Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn but we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah time it never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. We remember, from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender, never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love, we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar, we not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart, from the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun till the battle day is won. One world, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. That's we rise up, rise up. Jah light guide us home. Rise up. While as we run my love, rise a place where the light meets drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children. Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. shadows and pain. But me spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No transplant, we so no fear in a crowd. From trance down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we strong. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Oh, God. Yeah. Alright. When the world feels dark and heavy, and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky. You'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never done. Run to the light. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikem Kono.
Lead me through the fight.
Man, lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. I will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even
matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain with the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud, break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by me side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Whoa. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion, rise. Let your fire light up the sky. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound. Under the sunset, in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound, Trench Town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We Trench Town, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Umoja, unity forever. Trench Town people rise together, from Kingston to Accra call. One love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit responds. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround, peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold, story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, your light shine on Trench Town. We go again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we all love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no change tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Marley sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion out deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, your sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom, beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trench Town to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them still with gold, them still with name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, "Jah live,
We never die.
even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep." Pulse, who will fight for the youth, them soul?
We will fight till the final goal.
Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom, beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trench Town to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Lion heart freedom,
Lion heart freedom.
lion heart freedom,
Lion heart freedom.
lion heart freedom.
Lion heart freedom.
Yeah, I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, "Rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear." From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul when never stop fight, even when Babylon block the light. From the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. But granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call your name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children
Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion. Yeah, we rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drumbeat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, roots and freedom, Jah knows. Yeah. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light. Oh, but truth will stand and fight.
Emancipate your mind today. Don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within.
Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, roots and freedom, Jah knows. Roots and freedom, roots and freedom, Jah light will lead us home. Ooh. Yeah.
Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight. Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal me.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal me.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving how the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love call, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Jah light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Hungry, no food inside. Whoa. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay. Yeah. na na. Yeah. Yeah, na na na. Yeah, na 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 na. Yeah, na 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 na. Yeah. We wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing. Feel the river flow. My spirit whisper. Don't you fear, your light shine bright, it's always here. In a this struggle me find me peace, in a this storm me find release. Though the world's so cold, my soul still warm, cause you protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, na na. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore,
Much of your life is we trod.
guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me I, when I know, me feel
From Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want no more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family, near and far.
Simunye.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world, unity. One world, one heartbeat. Rise again. Love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.